Chasing crypto airdrops is still probably the best way to go from zero capital to something and then start using that to actually trade some more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate airdrop chasing using Lootbot. Lootbot is the best in its class, currently the biggest market cap as well. They have a token called Loot, which you can use. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start with Loot and basically use the Telegram to do a bunch of things. So they have a couple of products within the Lootbot. Also, the cool stuff is that they keep on adding new networks, they keep on adding new protocols. It's very easy to start to use. If you want to start, basically just use the code down below in the description of this video. This would jump you directly to their Telegram and you'll be able to start playing around it. I'm going to show you what happens once you start doing that. So you won't see the first screen because there's a start button, but after that basically you'll be able to choose a bunch of cool stuff. Like you can see on my screen, basically what you see is you'll be able to choose a network, and once you go into welcome looter, choose a network. I just have chosen zkSync. Now you'll be seeing this screen, and if you want to start looting, so looting for of course all the different airdrops, then basically you first will have to create wallets. I won't click on wallets because you'll see my private keys to some of the wallets, but basically clicking on wallets and creating wallets will give you a wallet just for Lootbot. You will have to save this private key somewhere to not lose it, but basically you will have your wallet for airdrop. You can have multiple wallets, up to 10 wallets for now, so you can farm multiple airdrops at the same time, just basically funding them with the funds. You send the money on the Ethereum mainnet. The minimum is 0.1 ETH, and then what happens is that you can start looting. By clicking start looting, what will happen is that they will initiate a process of looting, and you'll be able to basically bridge to zkSync. So once you click that, the first thing will be choose how much you want to bridge. I have chosen 50% of what I had in the account, so 0.1 was the total one, 0.101, so I got 0.505 bridged from Ethereum mainnet to zkSync era. This is what was done by the bot. They created the transaction. You can see the TX after everything happening, so that's really cool. And also you can see all the details. So smart contracts interacted 1, number of transactions 1, aggregate value, gas spent, everything is here. And basically this is the first case. They want to do the bridging, so that takes like 15 minutes in general to bridge from the mainnet to zkSync era. Then it has to wait a little bit and will go on with a bunch of other stuff. So for example, it will swap for you ETH to USDC, USDC to ZKUSD, and then add liquidity to USDC ZKUSD. So stablecoin pair, pretty stable pool, should be 1-to-1, and basically this will accrue fees along the time on your wallet, and also at the same time producing a bunch of transactions that will probably be going to the potential airdrop on zkSync. Really cool stuff in general. Of course, we don't know anything about the potential eligibility of zkSync. We don't know how it will go exactly, and whether there will be some kind of anti-bot system, but it's definitely worth trying, especially that you create a new wallet. You can do exactly the same actions on your main wallet if you want to, or your other wallets, doing that manually and doing that in different order than here. But the cool stuff is that not only they give you everything that they're doing, they're super transparent with everything that they're doing. They do giving you all the links to the project that they want to add. So this is the upcoming available interactions on Lootbot in the next 1-2 weeks, and as you can see, they're like 10 different projects on zkSync era. The same goes for other chains. So this is basically the code I will give you. You'll be able to get below with that. And for the networks, you have a choice of 4 networks for now. More are coming soon. You have a choice between zkSync, Layer 0, Scroll, and Linear. This is what will be happening. So if you want to jump and if you like really airdrops, this is definitely worth trying. It saves so much time and also gives you directly everything that you have to do to be potentially eligible. So that's really the best method. Really recommend it. I like it, and as you can see, I'm using it myself to check it out how it will work. Of course, on the side I'm doing pretty much all the steps here manually, so that if they have some kind of the anti-bot system, maybe I'll get like, you know, be a manual user as well. So recommend doing that as well. Thank you for watching, and of course subscribe to the channel for more news on crypto airdrops, new coins, new trends, new narratives in crypto, and everything else that is interesting happening in crypto. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.